So characteristic function of a Cauchy distribution. So before finding the characteristic function of Cauchy distribution, we need to find the PDF of the characteristic function of standard Cauchy distribution. So the probability density function, the PDF of standard Cauchy distribution is f of z is equals to 1 by pi of 1 plus z square. This is the standard Cauchy distribution PDF where limits are minus infinity to plus infinity. So first we need to find for this the characteristic function. So after this we need to find the Cauchy distribution characteristic function. So now the characteristic function definition is defined as pi x of t, that is equals to integration of e to the power of itx. So here we are taking z the variable, so itz into f of z dz, right? So limits are minus infinity to plus infinity. So here substitute f of z, integration of e to the power of itz, f of z is 1 by pi of 1 plus z square dz, where the limits are minus infinity to plus infinity. This is the characteristic function pi z of t. So here pi z of t. So this is put equation 1. Put equation 1. Now we need to find the PDF of standard Cauchy distribution. So we need to remember some of the 3 theorems and the PDFs and characteristic function. The first one is inversion theorem of characteristic function. The first one is inversion theorem. Inversion theorem of characteristic function, CHF. That is f of x is equals to 1 by 2 pi integration of e to the power of minus itx, okay, e to the power of minus itx into pi x of t dt, pi x of t dt. So this is the characteristic function of inversion theorem, where here f of x is the PDF, pi x of t is the characteristic function. Now another one is we need to consider here the Laplace distribution. Laplace distribution. So what is Laplace distribution? So f of x is equals to 1 by 2 into e to the power of minus mod x, where x lies between minus infinity to plus infinity. So the Laplace distribution PDF is f of x is equals to 1 by 2 into e to the power of minus mod x, where x lies between plus or minus infinity. Now the characteristic function CHF of the Laplace distribution is pi x of t is equals to 1 by 1 plus t square, 1 by 1 plus t square. Now we need to apply the inversion theorem of characteristic function for the Laplace distribution. That means we need to substitute pi x of t is equals to, here what is having the Laplace distribution, 1 by 1 plus t square, and the f of x is equals to 1 by 2 into e to the power of minus mod x and substitute in here f of x. So these both functions will substitute in inversion theorem of characteristic function. So now we need to get, so I'm writing here, apply inversion theorem of characteristic function for Laplace distribution. Then we get inversion theorem f of x. So in f of x equal to, substitute, we need substitute Laplace distribution now. So f of x equal to what? 1 by 2 into e to the power of minus mod x, right? So here substitute 1 by 2 into e to the power of minus mod x. Okay, that is equals to, right, as it is 1 by 2 pi integration of e to the power of minus itx into pi x of t. So the characteristic function of Laplace distribution is 1 by 1 plus t square, right? 1 by 1 plus t square and dt. So this is we are getting after the substitution of all the equations. Now here 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 pi is there. So 2 gets cancelled. So 2 gets cancelled. So remaining here e to the power of minus mod x into 1 by pi integration of e to the power of minus itx by 1 plus t square dt. Okay, this is the remaining equation. Now interchange t and x, we get, so ఇప్పుడు t plus x plus లో t ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా, x plus లో t plus లో x ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో now we get e to the power of minus x is there, so here are t into 1 by pi integration of e to the power of minus it. T means we need to substitute x means we need to substitute t. So again we are getting tx, itx by 1 by t is there, so x square dt means dx. Okay, so now change t with minus t. So substitute whenever t is there, substitute there minus t. Okay, the above equation e to the power of minus mod t is there here. So when we are substitute minus t also, so we are getting plus t only because we are having mod. Okay, so 1 by pi integration of e to the power of minus, here t is there, so when we are substituting minus t, minus gets multiplied, it will plus, minus into minus plus, so here remaining e to the power of itx by 1 plus x square dx. Okay, this is the remaining one. Now replace x by z. So now we need to replace the x with z. So wherever x is there, we need to substitute z. So e to the power of minus mod t is equals to 1 by pi integration of e to the power of itz by 1 plus z square dz. So this is put equation 2. Okay, now from equation 1 and equation 2, so from equation 1 and equation 2 we are getting, so when we compare equation 1 with equation 2, we are getting, so pi z of t is equal to integration of minus infinity e to the power of itz by pi of 1 plus z square dz. So here in equation 2, e to the power of minus mod t is equals to 1 by pi integration of minus infinity to infinity e to the power of I t z by 1 plus z square dz. So here these both are equal, right? So see here e to the power of I t z, e to the power of I t z, 1 by pi of 1 plus z square. So 1 by pi, so here I am writing outside. So when we are going to inside, 1 by 1 by pi of 1 plus z square dz. So these all are gets cancelled. So remaining we get here pi z of t is equals to e to the power of minus mod t. Okay, so when we are gets cancelling all these same equation, so we are getting pi z of t equal to e to the power of minus mod t. Okay, this is the characteristic function of CHF of standard Cauchy distribution. Standard Cauchy distribution, that is pi z of t is equals to e to the power of minus mod t. Now this is what we are getting, the standard Cauchy distribution characteristic function. Now we need to find standard. Now we need to find CHF for Cauchy distribution. Okay, so characteristic function generally denoted by pi x of t, that is equal to, it is defined as e to the power of I t x, right? So standard Cauchy variate, here standard Cauchy variate is z is equals to x minus mu by lambda. Standard Cauchy variate is equal to x minus mu by lambda. So here we can write it as x is equals to mu plus z lambda or lambda z. Okay, x equal to mu plus lambda z. Now substitute here x in place of v plus mu plus lambda z, that is equal to expectation of e to the power of I t of mu plus lambda z. Now expectation of e to the power of I t nu into e to the power of I t lambda z. Okay, now I am writing I t nu outside, e to the power of I t nu into expectation of e to the power of I t lambda z, e to the power of I t lambda z. Now this can be written as, so where itx, expectation of e to the power of itx can be written as pi x of t, right? So x is in the place of base and t is under the multiplied. So here it lambda z is there, so what we can written as pi z of t lambda. So in place of t we are having here t lambda, in place of x we are having z. Okay, that means e to the power of I t nu into pi z of t lambda, the power of pi z of t lambda. So now the earlier we are finding the standard Cauchy distribution characteristic function pi z of t is equals to e to the power of minus mod t, right? So e to the power of minus mod t is the characteristic function of CHF of standard Cauchy distribution. Standard Cauchy distribution. Now pi z of t. So in place of pi z of t we are having t, in place of t we are having t lambda. So here we can write it as e to the power of I t nu into, in place of what we can write? E to the power of minus, in place of t we are having t lambda, right? So e to the power of minus mod t lambda, right? So this is, now the bases are same, so we need to add e to the power of it nu minus mod t lambda. So now e to the power of it nu minus lambda is outside and mod t is a variable, right? So this is the characteristic function of Cauchy distribution, characteristic function of, therefore this is CHF of Cauchy distribution. Okay.